Have you ever noticed how the most powerful people aren't always the loudest? They don't beg for attention, they don't over-explain, yet somehow they control the room. This is the psychology of silent influence. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to gain control, command respect, and make people crave your attention. Most people hate silence. It makes them uncomfortable. It makes them anxious. That's why the person who speaks first loses. Next time you're in a negotiation, an argument, or even a casual chat, pause. Say nothing. Let the other person break the silence. Because when they do, they'll reveal more than they intended. Ever wondered why the most respected leaders don't over-explain themselves? It's because mystery creates power. People fear what they don't understand. The less you reveal, the more they want to know. So stop explaining yourself. Stop justifying your actions. Let them wonder. Because when people don't have answers, they create their own. And that's how influence is built. A single, unbroken stare can be more intimidating than 1,000 words. Next time someone tries to challenge you, don't argue. Just look at them. Silence plus eye contact yield dominance. It makes people question themselves. It makes them second-guess their words. And in that hesitation, you win. Want someone to chase you? Ignore them. Humans crave what they can't have. The moment you stop responding, stop engaging, stop explaining, people start obsessing. They think, did I do something wrong? Why aren't they replying? What if they don't care anymore? And just like that, you're in control. Influence isn't about saying more. It's about saying less and making them want more. If you found this powerful, hit that like button. And if you want to master more psychological tactics, subscribe right now. I'll see you in the next one.